Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the BAGAIL Badminton Net, a versatile and durable sports net perfect for all your backyard and indoor games. This net comes in 3 width options, 10 feet, 14 feet, and 17 feet, making it ideal for various settings, whether you're playing one-on-one with kids indoors or hosting a 2-on-2 match in an open outdoor space. Crafted from qualified nylon and featuring powder-coated, black varnished iron tubes, this net is built to withstand the elements and provide years of enjoyment. Setup is a breeze, taking just 3 minutes without any tools, thanks to specialized elastic cords and slip joints that ensure a tight, sag-free fit. Highly portable, the net easily folds into a lightweight nylon bag, making it simple to transport wherever your game takes you. With adjustable heights ranging from 2.79 to 5.1 feet, this multi-purpose net is perfect for badminton, junior tennis, mini pickleball, or even kids volleyball, whether in your yard, on the beach, or any flat area. And remember, our dedicated service team is always here to assist you with any questions or concerns, ensuring you have the best possible experience with your BAGAIL sports net. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.